Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect wireless earbuds to PC instant guide step by step clearly. Begin by turning on your wireless earbuds. Make sure they are in pairing mode. This usually involves holding down the power button until you see a blinking light. On your PC, navigate to the settings menu. Click on the devices option. Select Bluetooth and other devices from the sidebar. Ensure that Bluetooth is turned on. If not, toggle the switch to enable it. Next, click on Add Bluetooth or other device. A new window will pop up. Choose the Bluetooth option from the list. Your PC will now start searching for nearby devices. Wait for your earbuds to appear on the list. Once they show up, click on their name. This will initiate the pairing process. Follow any additional prompts that appear on your screen. After a successful connection, you will see a notification. Now, your wireless earbuds are connected to your PC. To test the audio, play a sound or video. Adjust the volume as needed through your PC controls. If you encounter any issues, make sure your earbuds are charged. You can also try resetting the earbuds and repeating the process. Enjoy your wireless audio experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.